Hello P1, welcome back to IP English time. Today we have a review lesson number 49 about bugs. But before starting our lesson, I want to check your homework. This B will help me. We need to open workbook on page 15, part A and B. Let's start with part A. You have to read the words and match with the pictures. So number 1 is bee. Number 2, caterpillar. Number 3 is fly. And number 4, spider. So you have to draw lines. Please check. The next one, part B. You have to look at the pictures and to spell the words. So here, I will check your spelling. Number 1 is caterpillar. Number 2, we can see that this is a spider. Number 3, bee. And the last one, number 4, fly. Please check your answers. I hope that you have no mistakes. If you have, use your eraser and pencil and correct yourself. And now we can continue our lesson. Let's review our vocab. Okay, I want you to look at the picture, but it's not the whole picture. It's just a part. And think, what's this? So can you guess? Do you want me to open the whole picture? Okay. So we can see fly. It's a fly. Good job. Let's try another. Okay. Can you guess what is it? I can see many legs. Do you remember? What is it? Let's open the picture. Wow, caterpillar. Very good. It's a caterpillar. Okay, the next one. So, how do you think? What is it? The bag who likes flowers and honey. Let's see. Bee. It's a bee. Very good. And the last one. Ooh. So, how do you think? What is it? Has so many legs too. Spider. It's a spider. Excellent, P1. Okay, P1. We are going to make a bug poster. So what do we need? We need a paper, a pencil with an eraser, and our color pencils. So let's start. Okay, let's start with the title. Now I'm going to use different color pencils to color the letters. Okay, now we have our title, Bug Poster. And now I want you to choose your favorite bug and to draw. So I want to draw a bee first. Let's start. Okay, now I will color my bee. So I need yellow and black color. Okay, my bee is ready. Look. And I want to draw another bug. It will be a fly. Let's start. P.1, look. This is a fly. And this is a bee. And now I want to write a sentence. It's a bee. It's a fly. Let's have a look. It's a bee. It's a fly. When you will finish drawing your bugs, you can add some flowers. I will draw a flower here. Now my poster looks very beautiful. And then you need to write your name. Val. And now it's your mission time. I want you to make a bug poster. When you finish, I want you to record it. For example, my name is Val, and this is my bug poster. It's a bee and it's a fly. If you finish your bug poster, please type a comment and teacher will see your bug poster.
The easy way to join our mission is by going to our Facebook page, IP at Mary Immaculate Convent School, Chonburi, and post your photo or the answer in the comment section below this video. The teacher will choose your mission and post the mission on our Facebook page. Here, you can check both yours and your friend's mission every Monday to Friday at 6 p.m. We hope you will all join our mission and look forward to seeing your missions very soon. Woohoo!